Would you say that your hair is low maintenance or high maintenance?
It's very high maintenance. Touching up the roots once a month. It's like, it makes it really dry and it fades really easily. So I have to tone it with purple shampoo, which makes it even drier.
So I have good news for you. Because your hair is so high maintenance, we have Blond Absolu. We've created a new routine for you. Okay, Francis, so let's start with your absolute essential. Blond Ultraviolet to keep away the yellowing. Use it once a week. Leave it on between 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how cool you want your blonde to be. Then you'll need a super shot of care. Use Cica Flash frequently to restore your fiber without any unwanted weight. 3 minutes is more than enough. To finish, apply Cica Plasm on towel-dried hair to preserve them from the heat and make your blonde shiny and soft.